How to account for card payments on the CountLab 2 cash register. As with any sales transaction, you need to make sure that the key is in the REG position. You then enter the value of the sale or the item using the numeric keypad. So for $49.95, 4995, the till inputs the decimal point for you. You then assign that value to any of the 16 department buttons. We'll use department 1. You then process the payment on the card machine, and once it's gone through on the terminal, you press the card button here. The reason you do that is that appears as a separate line on the end of day report from cash, so you'll have a total for card and total for cash. If you've got the receipt switched on, it prints out a customer receipt. The drawer fires open if it's unlocked, so you can pop any credit card copy of the transaction that you keep into the till drawer. And that's it. Thanks for watching.